Welcome to Media Britonix, and thank you for joining this video where we explore the role of a freelance copywriter in a clear and practical way. Today, we will focus on how copywriters create persuasive marketing and advertising content for real clients. This includes writing for websites, email campaigns, and product pages that connect with people. Freelance copywriting is not about fancy language, but about clear communication. It is a skill that blends creativity with strategy. Anyone willing to learn and practice can improve in this field. Let us start by understanding what freelance copywriting really means. A freelance copywriter is a writer who works independently with different clients. Instead of being employed by one company, you offer writing services to many businesses. Your main goal is to influence readers to take action through words. This action might be signing up, making a purchase, or trusting a brand. Copywriting is different from general writing because it always has a purpose. Every sentence should guide the reader forward. Strong copy focuses on benefits rather than only features. Understanding this mindset is the foundation of your work. One of the most important skills for a copywriter is understanding the audience. Before writing anything, you must know who you are writing for. This includes their problems, desires, fears, and goals. When you understand the reader, your message feels personal and relevant. Research helps you choose the right tone and words. Without audience understanding, even good writing can fail. Successful copy feels like a direct conversation with the reader. Always write with one clear reader in mind. Website copy is one of the most common tasks for freelance copywriters. This includes home pages, about pages, service pages, and landing pages. Website copy must be clear, simple, and easy to scan. Visitors often decide within seconds if they will stay or leave. Strong headlines help grab attention quickly. The content should explain what the business offers and why it matters. Clear calls to action guide visitors on what to do next. Email writing is another key area of freelance copywriting. Email sequences are planned messages sent over time to build trust. Each email should have one clear goal and message. The subject line is important because it decides if the email gets opened. Inside the email, the tone should feel friendly and human. Long and confusing emails often lose attention. Simple structure and clear value work best. Emails should always respect the reader's time. Product descriptions are more than listing details about an item. A good product description explains how the product improves the customer's life. It focuses on benefits, not just specifications. The language should be easy to understand and relatable. Sensory words can help the reader imagine using the product. Clear formatting makes the description easier to read. Honest and accurate information builds trust. This approach helps customers feel confident in their decision. Research is a daily habit for successful copywriters. Before writing, you need to learn about the client's industry. This includes competitors, target customers, and common language used. Reading reviews can reveal what customers care about most. Research also helps avoid incorrect claims or confusion. Well-researched copy feels natural and informed. Clients value writers who understand their business. Strong research saves time during revisions. Persuasive writing is about guiding, not forcing, the reader. It uses clarity, logic, and emotion in balance. Clear explanations help readers understand the offer. Emotional connection helps them care about it. Trust is built through honest language and proof. Testimonials and real results can support your message. Overpromising can damage credibility. Ethical persuasion always respects the audience. Tone of voice is another important element in copywriting. Some brands sound friendly and casual, while others sound professional and calm. As a copywriter, you must adapt to each brand's voice. Consistency in tone builds brand recognition. Switching tone randomly can confuse readers. Always follow the brand guidelines if they exist. When in doubt, clarity is better than complexity. A natural tone feels more human and relatable. Freelance copywriters also need strong editing skills. The first draft is rarely the final version. Editing helps remove unnecessary words and improve flow. Shorter sentences often improve clarity. Reading the text out loud can reveal awkward phrasing. Checking grammar and spelling is essential for professionalism. Clean copy reflects well on both you and the client. Good editing turns average writing into strong copy. Time management is important when working as a freelancer. Clients expect deadlines to be respected. Planning your work helps reduce stress and mistakes. Breaking projects into smaller steps makes them manageable. Clear communication with clients avoids misunderstandings. Always confirm expectations before starting a project. Meeting deadlines builds trust and repeat work. Reliability is as important as writing skill. Understanding basic marketing principles helps copywriters succeed. Copywriting does not exist alone. It supports larger goals. This might include brand awareness, lead generation, or sales growth. Knowing the goal helps shape the message. A copywriter should always ask what success looks like for the client. Writing with purpose leads to better results. Marketing knowledge improves decision-making. It also helps you explain your value to clients. Search engine-friendly writing is often part of website copy. This means writing content that is easy for people and search engines to understand. Natural keyword use helps content get discovered. The focus should always remain on the reader first. Overloading text with keywords reduces quality. Clear structure and headings improve readability. Good copy balances visibility and user experience. This approach follows platform guidelines and best practices. Client communication is a key part of freelance work. Clear questions at the start save time later. Listening carefully helps you understand client needs. Regular updates keep projects moving smoothly. Feedback should be welcomed and handled professionally. Not all feedback means you failed as a writer. It is part of collaboration. Strong communication builds long-term relationships. Building a portfolio is essential for freelance copywriters. A portfolio shows examples of your writing style and results. You can start with sample projects if you lack client work. Quality matters more than quantity. Each sample should show clear purpose and structure. Over time, replace samples with real client projects. A strong portfolio builds confidence with new clients. It acts as proof of your skill. Learning never stops in copywriting. Trends, platforms, and audiences change over time. Reading books and articles helps improve your craft. Studying successful advertisements can teach valuable lessons. Practice sharpens your ability to write clearly. Feedback helps you see blind spots. Growth comes from consistent effort. Staying curious keeps your writing fresh. Ethics are important in copywriting work. Honest communication builds trust with audiences. Avoid misleading claims or unrealistic promises. Respect the intelligence of the reader. Long-term success comes from credibility. Clients value writers who protect their brand reputation. Ethical writing benefits everyone involved. Trust is the strongest form of persuasion. Pricing your services fairly is part of freelancing. Rates should reflect your skill and time investment. Clear pricing avoids confusion with clients. Some projects suit fixed prices, while others suit hourly rates. Confidence in pricing comes with experience. Undervaluing your work can lead to burnout. Fair pricing supports sustainable work. Transparency builds professional relationships. Handling revisions professionally is another key skill. Clients may request changes for many reasons. Stay calm and open during revision discussions. Clarify feedback before rewriting if needed. Each revision is a chance to improve clarity. Set limits on revisions in advance. This protects your time and energy. Professional handling builds client respect. Confidence grows with experience and results. Early projects help you learn what works. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Each project strengthens your skill set. Celebrate small wins along the way. Confidence shows in your writing. Readers can feel it through your words. Freelance copywriting is a practical and creative career path. It combines writing skill with business understanding. With practice, anyone can improve their ability to persuade through words. Consistency matters more than talent alone. Focus on helping the reader and client succeed. This mindset leads to better results. Growth comes step by step through real work. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. And if you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.